Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this quick guide, where I'll walk you through how to fix the issue of no drives detected during the installation of Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system. If you're trying to install Windows and encounter the message saying we couldn't find any drives, the very first thing to check is your physical connections. Double check the cables connected to your hard drive or SSD. Ensure that both the power cable and the SATA cable are firmly connected to the drive, and that the SATA cable is also securely plugged into the motherboard. If you're using an NVMe drive, make sure it's properly seated in the M2 slot and locked in place with the screw. Sometimes a loose NVMe can cause this issue as well. Once you're confident that everything is physically connected as it should be, and you're still not seeing any drives listed, the issue is likely related to missing storage drivers. In that case, you'll need to download the appropriate storage controller drivers from your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's website. If you are using desktop computer, then open your browser and in search bar type Intel Rapid Technology Driver and mention your processor generation. Make sure to download the correct version based on the generation of your Intel CPU. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading the 10th generation Intel processor storage driver. To download the driver, scroll down the web page until you locate the download button, then click it. It will download the Rapid Technology Driver. Once the IRST setup file has finished downloading, do not run the file. Also, don't just copy the file directly to the USB flash drive, because Windows installation can't extract drivers from executable files. Instead, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click the setup file and select Copy. Next, open your local disk C drive. Then right-click and create a new folder. Name this folder IRST and press Enter. Open the newly created folder and paste the setup file inside. Once you've placed the setup file in the folder, the next step is to extract the necessary driver files using PowerShell. To begin, click on Windows Search and search for PowerShell in the Start menu. Then, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. With the PowerShell window open, you'll first need to change the directory to the IRST folder. Type this command and press Enter. Next, type in the command that will extract the driver files from the setup IRST executable. I've included this command in my video description so you can easily copy and paste it. This command extracts all the necessary driver files to a new folder named Drivers on your C drive. Once the extraction is complete, close the PowerShell window, then navigate back to C drive and open the drivers folder. Inside, keep navigating through the folders until you find the one named VMD folder. Within the VMD folder, you'll find the driver file with extension .sys. Now, insert your USB flash drive if you haven't already, then right-click on this file and choose Copy, and then paste it directly onto the USB flash drive root folder. With the driver now copied to the flash drive, go back to the PC where you're installing Windows. During the installation process, when you see "We couldn't find any drives" message, click on Load Driver, then select Browse. Navigate to your USB flash drive and click OK. After that, you'll see the Intel VMD driver listed. Select it, click Next, and the missing storage drive should now appear. Once your drive is detected, you can continue with the Windows installation. If the Intel IRST driver still doesn't help in detecting the drive, don't worry. There is alternative methods you can try next. If your laptop doesn't detect the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver during Windows installation, don't worry. There's another method you can try. First, click on the Windows search bar and type System Information. From the search results, open the System Information app. In System Model section, you'll find the exact model of your laptop. Next, open your web browser and go to your laptop manufacturer's official support website. For Dell users, you can visit Dell's support page. I'll include the link in the video description. Enter your laptop's model number in the search bar and press Enter. Once your model page opens, scroll down to find the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver under the Drivers and Downloads section. When you find it, download the driver. If you're using an HP laptop, visit HP's support website, also linked in the video description, and you can search your laptop model. Similarly, for Lenovo laptops, go to Lenovo's support site. You can use the Detect Product feature or manually browse for your device model. Then, locate and download the appropriate storage driver. After downloading the driver, run the setup file and proceed to extract the files. Once the extraction is complete, navigate to your C drive and look for a folder named something like Drivers. Open that folder, then look inside the Product folder and the Windows 10 folder. In this folder, you'll find a system file. This is the system driver file. Now, copy either that specific file or the entire Windows 10 folder and paste it onto your USB flash drive. Don't worry, this will work on Windows 11 installation too. You can then use USB drive during the Windows installation process by selecting Load Driver and browsing to the folder where you place the extracted files. This should allow Windows Setup to detect your storage drive and continue the installation process. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue of no drives detected during Windows installation. If it worked for you, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. If you still have questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.